I always told people blockchain will be successful when we just all look at it like it's the TV, right?
Yeah.
Do you know how the TV works? Who in the F cares what's in the back?
No one cares. Yeah.
We just want to turn it on and watch good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
And so it's all about user interface, make it easy, make it cheap. Once everyone has a wallet and it's as easy to send money as it is to send
a picture.
pictures, you're going to see just micro payments, little payments, big payments, all skyrocket. Be really interesting.
Bitcoin. It's always in the headlines. Price goes up, price goes down, price goes up again. But what even is it? Well, Bitcoin is modern money. It's like cash. You get some, you spend some, you save some for later. And now it's as easy as downloading an app to your phone. The all-new Bitcoin.com wallet. Bitcoin, made easy.